Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you've ever felt stuck trying to pick or change colors in your Canva designs, you're in the right place. Today I'm going to guide you step by step through the exact process of selecting and changing colors in Canva, so by the end of this video you'll know exactly what to do the next time you want to give your graphics just the right look. Let's not wait any longer, let's jump straight in. The first thing you'll want to do is open up Canva. You can use either the web version or the app, whatever feels most comfortable for you. Once Canva is open, look for the Create a Design button, usually near the top right corner. Give that a click and this will bring up a bunch of design options. But for today's tutorial, let's choose the custom size option. Sometimes you might see popular sizes like Instagram posts or YouTube thumbnails listed, but we're going to input our own numbers to really start from scratch. Now when you're setting your custom size, Canva will prompt you to enter the width and the height. For this tutorial, type in 100 for the width and 50 for the height. Make sure you're entering the numbers in the right spots. It defaults to pixels, but you can adjust the units if needed. Starting small like this just makes it easy to see what changes are happening as we work with colors. Once your new blank canvas opens up, it's time to add an element. Head over to the left-hand toolbar and find the Elements tab. This is where you'll find shapes, lines, graphics, and more. Go ahead and choose a simple shape like a square or a circle. Don't worry about making it perfect. Click to add it onto your canvas and position it wherever you like. You can always move it around later. Now comes the fun part, changing the color. Click directly on your element to select it. You'll notice a colored box appears in the menu bar right at the middle top section of your screen. This is Canva's color tool. Clicking on this box opens up a color palette and you'll see a range of options, recently used colors, default palettes, and even the option to add your own custom color code. At this point, the color of your shape might be the default, like blue or gray. To change it, simply click on another color that catches your eye from the palette. You'll instantly see your element update on the canvas. If you want to get really specific, you can click the plus sign to enter a hex code or adjust the color picker. For instance, if you're designing something for a brand or want a specific vibe, picking the right shade can make a huge difference. Don't be afraid to play around. You can always click undo if something doesn't look quite right. And really, that's all there is to it. You've taken an element in Canva and changed its color, giving it your own touch in just a few simple clicks. Remember, this same color tool works for text, backgrounds, and just about anything else you add to your design. The more you experiment, the more confident you'll get. If you followed along and found this helpful, please give the video a thumbs up. It really supports the channel. If you have any questions or want to see more tips for using Canva, drop a comment below. I love helping out. And don't forget to subscribe so you never miss another easy design tutorial. Thanks for watching and happy designing.